A warning about animal bites and your children. A local toddler was recently bitten by a raccoon, prompting quick action with rabies prophylaxis in the ER. I find out how animal bites are best treated and when you should get professional medical help in this week's What's Going Around. It was a recent medical chart that caught pediatrician Lyle Stevenson's attention at the Pediatric Center.
We recently had a child that was bit by a raccoon in her backyard and had to go to a local hospital and received the immune globulin and the rabies vaccines.
That little girl is doing well today, but it's a reminder about the health threats of wild animals and unvaccinated pets. Dr. Stevenson says dogs account for 80% of treated animal bites.
Most of the time it is the family dog. In younger children tend to get bit in the face because they put their face in dogs' faces. Older adults and older children tend to get bit on the extremities, the arms, the legs, and things like that.
Cats follow, but the wound is typically different than a dog's.
A dog's going to kind of clamp and crush, whereas a cat's just going to kind of puncture you and then go away.
If the animal is up to date on a rabies vaccine, the concern for the person bit is inflammation and infection at the site.
These animals can have the same organisms growing in their mouth that you and I do and on our skin, so we worry about things like staph and strep, which can cause localized skin infections. We also worry about a particular organism that grows in their mouth called Pasteurella.
Pasteurella can cause an inflammatory infection at the site of the bite. Dr. Stevenson says if the animal is known to be vaccinated and the bite is minor, you can treat it by washing it, then applying antibiotic ointment. If it's deeper or you don't know the animal's health status, you need to get to a doctor immediately.
Usually it's just flushing it out, and every now and then they'll put some antiseptic on it or something like that. In some cases, stitches are required. Some cases, more surgery is required with severe bites or with crush injuries from bigger dogs especially.
The bottom line, avoid wild animals and unfamiliar pets. If you have family pets, teach your children safe techniques to pet or play with them.